Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to force, turn off, and reboot your Samsung Galaxy S10. So you may want to do this if your phone is like frozen or it's stuck on a certain screen and it's unresponsive. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to press and hold the Bixby button, the volume down button, and the power button. So you're going to press and hold them for about 5 to 10 seconds or until you see that the screen just completely blacks out. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. Bixby, volume down, and power button. It's going to take a screenshot and Bixby's going to come up, but don't mind that. Just keep holding them. And there you go. Once you see that the screen blacks out, it means that the phone has turned off, and you can remove your fingers from the buttons and it should restart automatically like this. So just give it a couple seconds and the phone will boot up. If it turned off and it's not turning back on, just go ahead and press the power button so that you can turn it back on. And once the phone boots on completely, it should be unstuck and unfrozen so that you can start using your phone normally again. All right, everyone, so that was just a quick video teaching you how to force, turn off, and reboot your Samsung Galaxy S10. So hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like, and that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace.